Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to try out the Openbox window manager in CachyOS. Let us start. So we have configured the CachyOS Openbox with MS-DOS file partition, BIOS with Grub bootloader and the ZFS file system. Let us check out. I just show you there are two kernels. One is fallback kernel and one is the main kernel. Grub bootloader is there. Okay, so this is the greeter screen of Openbox window manager in CachyOS. On the top panel, you have got the name of the operating system. On the right side, you have got accessibility features, that is on-screen keyboard, high contrast and screen reader. You have got the keyboard layout manager. You can have many multiple keyboard layouts. So many are there. So this helps when your physical keyboard is not working. You can change over the keyboards and you can use the accessibility features. For example, on-screen keyboard, you can start the on-screen keyboard. Before that, you have to change to the preferred language, and then you can use it the on-screen keyboard to type your password, and then you can get access to your system. This is the date function, and the power menu is there. Let us log in. So very beautiful wallpaper. I really like this, but here also you can see the screen has not scaled properly. So for that we'll have to scale. Where is the, yes, monitor settings are there. We'll have to change the mode. Will take some time, I think. So what we will do is, where is the, it is taking time. Is unresponsive right now. Exit Openbox, yes. And now we will re-log in. So that will fix the wallpaper. No, again there is a issue, I think. Okay. So the issue is persistent. It is not scaling properly. Okay, anyway, what we can do else? So you can see there is a panel at the left side of the screen. What is this? This is the wallpaper change. Just select the wallpaper. I don't see any wallpapers coming up here. Okay, no, there is no wallpaper, X wallpaper. I don't see. Change the window button style. Let us try this out. That is also not working. You can see here. And what is this? I don't know why nothing is working. You can see here. Totally unresponsive to the mouse inputs. This is, I think, volume control, and this is screenshot taker. So what we can do is, let us restart this system once. Post shutdown and then restart it again. We will keep the wallpaper and the resolution as is it, because once we increase the resolution, the desktop becomes unresponsive. Let us try this out. The desktop is not responsive. You can see here. Looks very beautiful, but it is not responsive. Or should I wait? Yes, now this wallpaper has changed. So every click the wallpaper changes. Okay, what is this? This is the time and date function. Let us try this out. No, it is not working. Let me restart it again. It might work. This is the last try for this desktop. If it doesn't work, then we will stop the video, because this is a new operating system. So this kind of problems will be there. But maybe over a period of another 1 year, everything will be sorted out. And this looks more promising than Reno Linux. Reno Linux, it is still work in progress. It is not even alpha right now. Okay, screenshot menu is there. Yes, you can see here. The screenshot has been saved to the pictures folder. What is this? Oh, very beautiful wallpapers. Okay. But here you can see the panel has disappeared. So this desktop is not for the daily use, or maybe it will work better on the bare metal, but in virtual machine this is not working. So we will just check the different applications. So you can see here some components of XFC have been used. Bulk rename, about XFC. Let us see what is there. You can see here this is also not working properly. Okay. So we'll just enumerate all the applications. So Nitrogen is the wallpaper manager. If you open Nitrogen, you will see all these wallpapers. That is also not properly working. So we will close this. Parcel light. What is parcel light? Then what is this is, I think, the XFC text editor. Vim is already we know. Then in development section, you got mailed and micro. In graphics, you got the view near. So I think it is some kind of photo viewing application. In multimedia, you got the MPV media player, NCM PCPP album art, NCPM PCPP single album art, pulse audio tray system, NCM PCPP. What is that? We don't know. Some album art or something like that is there, but it is not displaying anything. So we will close this. Then you got the video test utility, video capture utility, volume control is there. Oh, and that is also not working. Yes, now it is coming. So there is some issue. The graphics. So it is typical volume control. We will not go in detail. Just I wanted to show you. Okay, let us try this album art. Let us see. No, this is not working. Then in networks, you have got the SHS server browser, VNC server browser, cache browser. In others, you have got the Rofi theme selector and Rofi. So let us open the Rofi theme selector. Okay, so right now the adapter Nocto is default. We can, yes. So this is the art dark, then fancy. It is not doing any effect because the panel is not visible. Otherwise, we could have seen the change done by the theme to the panel. So anyway, let us open Rofi. So this Rofi video is pending. So I will one day release 2-3 videos how to use Rofi to beautify your desktop. Okay. So in settings, you got the advanced network configuration. AR and R is nothing but the display setting configuration. Customize look and feel. Let us try this out. If it works. It is also not working. Okay. So here in settings, then power manager, notifications, open box configuration manager, removable drives, tuner preferences, tin2 settings is there. Let us see whether it works or not. Battery is low. I don't know why battery is low, but it is showing battery is low. Let me check. No, battery is 100%. So this notification is also wrong. I don't know why. So overall, this is not ready for the prime time. Only XFC terminal. Okay, let us try the So this is also not working. Power Manager we will try. No, Power Manager is also not working. One final thing that I will try is Openbox Configuration Manager, whether this works or not. This is also not working. So anyway, we'll just enumerate the apps only. Okay. You have checked all that. Now in the system, you got Alacrity, Avai, Zero Configuration Browser, BTOP is there, CachyOS, Hello, CachyOS Kernel Manager, Package Installer, Fish, GJ Menu, Octopi Cleaner, Octopi Notifier, Octopi Repository Editor, Octopi Schedule Extended, GUI Manager, Thunar File Manager, Tin2, URXVT Client, URXVT tab, URXVT, just a moment. URXVT. So this is the one type of terminal only, and in XFCE terminal, yes. So at least this is working, but it is not showing any display on the terminal. So this desktop is under work in progress only. Now anything else is there? So we have completed this. What is GJ menu? Let us try this out. Okay, something coming up at the bottom left side. Yes. So this is the menu. Then open terminal, open file manager. Let us see if it opens up. Yes. This is also not working. So most of the things are not working. Monitor settings. We will try this once again. Now this is better, but the wallpaper is not scaling anyway. Then what is there? Advanced setting, menu schema, menu call. And this will not work because anyway, even basic functionality of the desktop is not there. And in appearance, you can say you can reverse the terminal BFG, change X wallpaper, change button style, swap window, toggle mode. And you can also restart the UI. Yes, now it is properly scaled, but this panel is left panel is still absent, but it is better now. So I think that's it. What we can show in Openbox window manager for CachyOS. It is work in progress. Don't use this. Anyway, you won't be able to use this also. It is not functional. You can try it on your bare metal, but in virtual machine, this is not working. So on that note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some another Linux distribution. So we have completed almost all the desktops of CachyOS. Then we have discussed the different kernels and other features of CachyOS, how to tweak the kernels and everything. And few more videos will come on CachyOS. Well, I will show you how to change the schedulers, how to tweak the kernels and everything. Whatever is possible, I will show you. So please stay tuned for the upcoming CachyOS videos. Some 3-4 videos will come after the desktop reviews. You can watch them and you can enjoy them. You can try it on your systems also. And after that, we are going to take up another Linux distribution for review. So bye. See you then.